Hi, this is Jules. I've he- I've had comments that I am conceited, just wanting my teeth, that I am insensitive. So I want to bring some information to you today. Okay, my sister has MS, lupus, and 2 other autoimmune diseases that I can't remember the name of. I've watched her struggle basically her whole life, but she fights it. She wants to live the best life she can. And so she keeps going because there are no cures. A person told me that I should listen to God and see what his purpose was for me with this. So I thought about it, and I realized that God was involved. I had the tooth pain, the gum pain, so I went to a dentist, a trained medical professional, who sent me to a surgeon, who told me about the procedure that I needed to have. If you break an arm, you go to the doctor. You cut yourself really bad, you go to the doctor. You need a knee replacement, you go to the doctor. You have the flu, you go to the doctor. So I believe that God puts these people on the earth that have the ability, have the knowledge to fix things that can be fixed. Okay, now let me just tell you a little bit, and yes, I have notes. I did a lot of research. Okay. I suffer from a lot of jaw pain. I'm unable to chew food correctly. I often choke. There's nothing there to stop fluids or food coming out, which, believe me, is so embarrassing, so humiliating. But let me tell you the reasons that this surgery is so important. First of all, I want to tell you that chewing causes blood to go to the brain. It accelerates the blood going to the brain, which brings nutrients and oxygen to the brain. Dementia, Alzheimer's, which I probably pronounced that wrong, general just brain fog happen because of these. Because I'm not able to chew correctly or chew at all, that the blood is not getting to my brain the way it should be. Not being able to chew, like I said, causes me to choke. It also can cause very severe acid reflux type symptoms, digestive problems, when most people think about eating soft foods, they think of things like ice cream, mashed potatoes, rice, oatmeal. Well, all these things are extremely high in carbs. The added carbs cause inflammation in your joints, they cause problems all over your body. Okay. Sorry. Because I can't eat healthy foods like fresh carrots, apples, anything that you would have to chew. I can't bite it. I can't chew it. And yes, there are vitamins and minerals you can take, but deficiency in the nutrients that my body needs decrease by me not being able to eat properly, eat healthy foods. Other more common problems are problems with speech. The longer this goes on, the harder it will be for me to speak. I already have problems enunciating and pronouncing some words. It'll only get worse. As the bone degenerates, the sinus cavities get deeper, which causes more sinus infections and issues like that, which every time I get an infection, my body finds it harder and harder to fight because of the deficiency in nutrients and vitamins that my body needs. And taking supplements and vitamins only do so much. The jaw also holds a lot of emotion. Think about when you get mad. Think about when you get sad. Think about when you laugh. Your jaw reacts differently. Again, laughing as well as chewing encourages the blood flow. Yes, the teeth, the functioning appliance that will give me back teeth is a bonus. But that is not what this is about. This is about my health, my ability to be able to live a normal life. And there is a cure. There is a procedure to stop this. But it costs $35,000. I don't have that money. I don't have any way to get that money. Friends, family, it's not there. That's why I am pleading with you all to please help me. $1, $2, every little bit helps. Commenting, sharing, subscribing, following, that all leads to more people seeing it, more chance for me to get the help that I need. So, please, if you can, help me. Share, follow, comment, like. Every little bit helps. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. This is Jules. Have a great day.